Very warm good morning to all of you students. Welcome to your online classes. Today we will start our chapter 1 geography. Resources. A resource is a source or supply from which a benefit is produced and that has some utility. Resources can be broadly be classified upon their ability. They are classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. An item become a resource with time developing technology. Resources is very broad term. It is basically anything that can be considered a valuable addition. Anything from air to gold is all resources. वे सभी वस्तुएं जो हमारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करते हैं, जिनका हम उपयोग करते हैं और जिनका कुछ न कुछ मूल्य हो, जो समय तथा टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ डेवलप होता है, उसे हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी टाइम एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resources. Both time and technology are related to the needs of the people. People are the most important resource as it is their ideas, knowledge, inventions and discoveries, technology that lead to the creation of more resources. Types of resources. Resources are generally classified into natural, human-made and human. Now we will discuss about natural resources. Anything in the environment which can be used and that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Example of natural resources: the soil, mineral are all natural resources. Many of these resources and free gifts of nature and can be used directly. Natural resources are classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use, stock, origin and distribution. Based on their development, resources can be classified into two groups: actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources. Actual resources are those that have been surveyed, their quantity and quality determined, and are being used in present time. Example of actual resources are petroleum and natural gas is actively being obtained from Mumbai high fields. The dark soil of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra are also actual resources. Potential resources. The resources that are available in a particular region and can be utilized in the future are known as potential resources. Example of potential resources are the uranium found in Ladakh is a potential resource that could be used in the future. Natural oil reserves of the Middle East, dark soil in the Deccan Plateau, etc. Based on their origin, resources can be abiotic or biotic. Now discuss about abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are resources that fall into the larger category of natural resources which occur naturally in the environment and are not created or produced by humans or human activity. Example of abiotic resources: water, air, land, ore, soil, rocks and minerals. Biotic resources. Biotic resources are resources derived from the biosphere such as living things and from forest and the materials derived from them. Example of biotic resources: this mainly include fossil fuels like petroleum, coal, gas, forest, animal, birds, fish and marine organisms. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. Now we will discuss about renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished to replace the portion depleted by use and consumption, either through natural reproduction or other recurring process in a human time scale. Example of renewable resources: biomass energy such as ethanol, hydropower, wind energy, and solar energy. Biomass refers to organic material from plants or animals. Non-renewable resources. A non-renewable resources is a natural resources that cannot be readily replaced by natural means that a quick enough pace to keep up with consumption. Once the stock are exacted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Examples of non-renewable resources: coal, petroleum, and natural gases. Human-made resources. Now we will discuss about human-made resources. Human-made resources, also known as capital resources or material riches created by humans that can be used to create more wealth. Iron ore are not a resources until people learn to extract iron from it. Example of human-made resources include money, factories, roads, technology, buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and vehicles. Now we will discuss about human resources. Human resources is the set of the people who made up the workforce of an organization, business sector, industry, or economy. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource, improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का मतलब है जब किसी मानव के स्किल्स को और इम्प्रूव कर दिया जाए जिससे वह और अच्छी वस्तुओं का निर्माण कर सके, इसको हम ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेस कहते हैं. कंजर्विंग रिसोर्सेस. Conservation of resources means using the resources such as trees, water, minerals, etc. It is the ethical use and protection of valuable resources. Resources conservation means the reduction in the use of water, energy, and raw material, or using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Let us come to our next topic: sustainable development. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs, carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present, also care of future generations. Examples of sustainable development: wind energy, solar energy, and crop rotation. Students, some principles of sustainable development we will discuss. Number 1, respect and care for all forms of life. Conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. Minimize the depletion of natural resources. Change personal attitude and practices towards the environment. My dear students, in this way, today we have completely discussed our chapter 1. Okay, students, our first chapter, resources, is completed. Children, for your safety is my first priority. Wear mask, hygiene hands, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you very much.